Welcome to Cedar Bowl here in Cedar City, Utah. We've got Keven Williams and Boog and a whole bunch of people for the Jack Jones Memorial PBA Regional here on string pins. We're excited to have them here, and we hope they're okay with losing because the plans are tomorrow we're going home with the trophy.
On non-strings, I would have definitely came over and tomahawked the sound. All right, let's piss off everyone in the world.
16-pound black.
My black. Yeah, that's what you get.
That's
what you get for trying to discriminate my side of the lane.
My bad. The Brunswick ones, you have like two big doors that open up like this, and the strings are from the top, kind of like this, but this is more user-friendly.
All right, guys, so we just finished up the practice session. We think scores are probably gonna be a little bit lower. They weren't super easy, and I don't think you're gonna be able to just super hook them like the right-handers, and that usually keeps scores a little lower. But nonetheless, we'll see how that goes. We're about to start the Pro-Am, so we're gonna go have some fun. We'll see you guys tomorrow.
Yeah, that's not necessary at all. Just the last one just hydroplaned in the spot. So we're in the last game. I need 300 to even sniff this cut to the step ladder. It's probably not gonna happen. But the ending thoughts on this whole string pin thing, I don't get the hits that I usually get. And you know, do I miss them? Yes. But guess what? No one's getting the hits. Left-handers, right-handers, two-handers, we're all in the same playing field now. I think this is great for the sport. Yeah. What?
You heard it here first, folks. Holy.
You know, I threw it pretty well that game. I needed every bit of it. It wouldn't have been enough. It was a good time.